Hi guys, and today I'm going to give I always do this in my videos, so I just get very little sleep lately and stuff. Well, I got bubble wrap. So today I'll be reviewing my 2 new Jurassic Lost World Jurassic Park toys I got on eBay. See, it's Jurassic Park. I'll give you toy reviews starting now, I guess. Well, I got this on eBay. It was actually funny because it came in a cereal box. I should have got my reaction. No, really, it just came in a cereal box. I actually thought it was just cereal. I'm so happy it wasn't cereal. You don't want to know why I thought it actually. Back when I thought it was cereal. So, guess I'll be reviewing. No, I have like these guys kind of like 6 other different skins. I have this one in like a reddish orange and a black with dots. No, actually, no, that's something else. Yeah. This way, I think I have a gray one of this. So I just reskinned. That was larger on eBay, so I'll give you a hand size comparison as compared to my Destroyer I also got. And Echo, which... A friend, if you're watching, thanks for a birthday present. If you're watching, Eli, or someone, Quentin, I don't know. Yeah. You could get me the hybrid edition of this. Now I'm getting greedy. Sorry, my birthday is coming soon. July 18th. So yeah, here's a size comparison. Very small. Have very large hands. There. So I'll give you guys a size comparison with Charlie. So yeah, you can also do this and compare it to Zilla, I guess. So yeah, I'll review the Triceratops first. So they have a lot of skins of this. First, like, if this one's based on Lost World, this T-Rex one, I might know. The Lost World is more like greenish. This one, I really like it. I don't like the creepy red eyes. Get the light so you can see it. Look, it's just creepy. It's plain creepy a little. I can compare them to my hand. It has no joints, none of them do. These ones are bendable, but I would not suggest bending them. Pretty sure waterproof. I'm not going to test that. Or check if they have holes. Pretty durable. I could check. But I would not suggest trying this. Has a pretty good detail if you look closely. You can see some scale and wrinkly detail on it. The osteoderms. JP sign. Sounds so wrong somehow. Dots. It kind of looks like sick Triceratops. I don't really mind that much. Because, I don't know. But in the Lost World that was captured by, I don't know, hunting psychopath guys. I don't even know why I'm bragging about my phone. I have a bear fight on here. I should post that on YouTube. Yes, I've witnessed bears fighting. Ish. It's more like a tag fight. I don't know. You can also see the scale pattern does change a little here and here. Belly detail, I guess. Triceratops is probably more between Triceratops and Stegosaurus are probably the only dinosaurs I cannot draw. Well, I cannot draw Triceratops at all, but I can try to draw a Stegosaurus. So, my Triceratops. This one's a little yellowish. Look, This thing looks awesome in the dark. Turn on my T-Rex. This guy's a little more like bendy. Plus his foot does lie in the stand. See, toys could have accurate postures. Sure, feet do have like a thing on it. It's kind of see, but like this. No, I'm not gonna do anything movie. I'm not gonna do anything movie accurate, cause I don't know. It's not lazy. I'm gonna compare. Oh, gotta bring those out. Let's go pop some more bubble wrap. Love bubble wrap. So here it is. I'll give you another comparison. Right after this. Not natural. This guy's tail is a lot bendable. Yeah, again, I don't know. So it's waterproof. No detail. I did the Triceratops has slightly better detail. It's just more wrinkly skin and really long hands. It's kind of creepy. It has great eye detail, like facial detail. Teeth don't have that much detail like the inside of the mouth, but it's okay. Side. I'd say if the Triceratops has more detail. Tail looks this one looks kind of cheap compared to my other black and white one. I don't know. It's the face. I don't know. That's how I complain with this model. The face looks. I don't know. Not even look at it like up close. It looks like T-Rex, but far away it looks a little like the Splatosaurus. So. Plus it has red hands, which I don't really mind that much. Belly detail. This looks like the Godzilla anime toy that's coming out. Yes, I am aware of the trailer. Try doing a review, but I just don't know. Tell us wait till the second trailer or something comes out. It's really bright blue over here. Dark. There's probably too much to review about it. That's like rubbery feel. Like the realistic feel, but you know what I mean. Looks awesome in the dark. Thunder, lightnings. Alright, looks like green first time in my life for some reason. Let's messing with this at this point. So, alright, T-Rex. It's also pretty durable. There's no pieces all fall off or anything. You cannot close his mouth, by the way. Try. So, ship on my ruler. Here it is compared to my Triceratops. That's why I do it. That's why I do it. Sorry. And they're together. You can make them fight if you want. Also, I have like 2 Spinosauruses, ones of these, and 2 raptors. Both my raptors are the same color of like this toy line, I guess. I have 2 Spinosauruses that are the same color and 1 pink one. The guys are pink, or girls, you know, everyone's watching. Fight! Smash! 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 This thing is actually weird because one that said that most of the ones that are coming early came late, and the ones that are coming late came early. That makes no sense, besides the 2014 one, that one's late. Oh, that one's hasn't came in yet. Until 2014. So I'm like, I have a lot of figures, I don't know. Start doing my own toy reviews one day. Yeah. Hands, says, destroyer, thing. 6, damn it, the wing keeps on falling off. That's what I like about these toys. You don't have to worry about their joints falling off. They don't even have joints, but unless they include the tail. Look at this thing. This looks like some of my worst nightmare. So also does look like an Ultraman kaiju. It's about the Jurassic Park toys here. So yeah, here they are. But when I first thought I ordered these, they're just saying for the 100th time, if you can't tell, these guys are not large. They're pretty small. I'll compare them to my phone. I'll compare this miniature Rubik's Cube. And I'll compare them to my friend's Mine Turtle. So, just really please like if you want more reviews, I guess. I don't know. This guy still does have a lot of problems to say. Knocked out! It's the concept. I'm immature.